everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are cooking pork fry with the garlic and pepper. Are you ready? Let's go. Today I have pork, garlic, pepper, soy sauce, oyster sauce, powdered pork, sugar. It's okay. The first I put the soy sauce in the pork. I have pork 1.5 kilo. I put oyster sauce, pork powder. I think 2 is okay. 2 spoons and 1 sugar and pepper. Okay. I mix with my hand.
Mix
I mix
with
with
my
my hand. Okay. When I mix everything, I wait 15 minutes. I have to do pok 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 pok. Curry. You can use the mixer because it's easy for you. But Thai style, I have to do like this. Pok pok pok. You know pok pok pok. Now I have to make a sauce, fish sauce with chili and garlic. I have chili, garlic, lemon, fish sauce. You have to cut the chili very small. You have to cut the garlic. And you put the fish sauce and lemon. When 15 minutes it finished, I have to fry pork. I have to fry the pork slowly. When you cook the pork enough, after you have to fry the garlic. When you fry the garlic, change color is okay. And you have to put the garlic in the pork. Time for eating. If you eat with the fish sauce, it make you eat delicious more. It's very good. Healthy is good. Garlic make very good smell. Pork is very soft, very easy and delicious. You can use chicken or pork or beef. It's okay. Up to you if you like. Okay, thank you for your watching and thank you for your subscribe. I really happy and I hope my channel is better. If you like, please like and subscribe for me. Support me. Thank you very much. ขอบคุณค่ะ Bye bye. See you next video.